Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of Roblox not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing, people download and install Roblox from the wrong location. They try and download it from third-party websites and it is not the correct method. So search for store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store and then search for Roblox and hit enter, and then go to Roblox and then you can click on play or install whatever option you have, and this is how you can reinstall Roblox on your system. This is the right location. So if it doesn't work even after that, then search for Roblox in the Windows search bar. Corresponding to the Roblox player, you can click on run as administrator. It doesn't have the option to repair and reset Roblox, so here's what you can do. If it still doesn't work, search for Roblox, click on uninstall, and then you can search for Roblox again, and then you can uninstall it from here, and you can uninstall it from here. And once Roblox is gone, then you can search for store once again. You can go to the Microsoft Store and then you can search for Roblox and then go to Roblox and install it once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.